We make managing payroll data in Xero easy by enabling you to automatically break down and allocate labour costs in Xero straight from SmartPayroll. In this demo, we take you through tiered job costing. This feature captures labour costs in Xero and codes them by account, category and project or job. If you're new to SmartPayroll, please review our Xero Integration guide. This will run you through the basic setup that needs to happen first. SmartPayroll's costing feature has a tiered mapping structure, and the data flows straight through to the corresponding columns in your Xero bill. Tier 1 is your general ledger account that you allocate your different labour costs to, such as wages or bonuses. Tier 2 is your tracking category as defined in Xero. This lets you break your costs down further by team or department, for example. And Tier 3 is the project or job description. To start using this feature, you need to map your account codes and tracking categories to Xero. If you don't already have a cost structure set up in SmartPayroll, watch our project costing video or download the guide for instructions on how to do this. Your costing structure should be set up under Departments and Jobs. This is found under Company Details. Here you can see an example of a costing structure. We've called Tier 1 Wages. Tier 2 are our departments: plumbing, drain laying, gas fitting and administration. And Tier 3 are the project or jobs within each department, which I've called Job 1 and Job 2. Your accounting codes in SmartPayroll must reflect what's in your Xero chart of accounts. Hover over each item and click the edit icon to check the correct accounting code has been entered. In this example, the Xero accounting code for wages is 814. I've clicked into the wages item to make sure that's correct and then click Save. If you use tracking categories in Xero, you can enter this in SmartPayroll by changing the Xero tracking category name, which also sits in the Departments and Jobs screen. It's important that the names are exactly the same in both systems. If there is an error with your data entry, the details will not feed through. If you don't have separate departments or teams, but you still want to allocate costs to projects or jobs, you will still need to set up a placeholder category in SmartPayroll. Because you won't have these set up in Xero, you can name this whatever you want, as the data simply won't flow through. Next, go to GL Accounts and tick the Costs Payments by Departments or Job checkbox. Now set your pay run details to export using this tiered costing structure by ticking the Export Using Xero Costing Structure checkbox. When you select this feature, Export Department Job Descriptions will be set as the default export option for every pay run. Now select the pay run you'd like to export to Xero and click the Export button. Now log into Xero and view your draft bill. Under Account has your Tier 1 information, Departments is your Tier 2, and Description has your Tier 3 information, your projects and jobs. If you're happy with the bill, then click Approve. This costing structure is not restricted to only 3 tiers. You can alter it to export pay run details based on your business needs. We have included a number of different scenarios in our supporting guide, so be sure to check this out for more detail. There you have it, you are now set up to export job costs direct to Xero each time you process a pay. If you would like to automate these exports to Xero, please watch our Auto Exports video. All the resources mentioned in this video can also be found in the Help Documents section of your SmartPayroll site.